Dear students, greetings to all. In the previous video, we talked about meaning and characteristics of management accounting. Now, in this video, we'll talk about difference between financial and management accounting. This topic is very important from examination point of view. Let us discuss. What is financial accounting? Keeping track of records and creating a summary of financial transactions is called bookkeeping. When this information is produced and displayed in the form of reports for the use of the public outside the company, this process is called financial accounting. So what is financial accounting? As you people all know, financial accounting is presentation of accounting information in the form of financial statements and presenting those financial statements to be used by the people outside the company, that is the creditors, investors, government, general public, all can make use of those financial statements. Now, what is cost accounting? You people have already studied financial accounting and cost accounting. So, we'll talk here little bit about cost accounting as well. The purpose of cost accounting is analyze the expenditure so as to ascertain the cost of various products manufactured by the firm and fix the prices. So what is the purpose of a company for calculating cost? That is, accounting of cost is to analyze the expenditure portion of the company so that they can determine what is the actual cost of manufacturing the products of the company. Now moving on to management accounting. Management accounting is process of identifying, analyzing, recording and presenting financial information that is used for internally by the management for planning, decision making and controlling. As I discussed in the previous video also, management accounting is presenting accounting information and redesigning accounting information so that it can be used by the management for the purpose of taking various important decisions of the business. Management accounting is process of identifying, measuring, analyzing and communicating information to the management in the form of various reports. So, we are talking here about two types of accounting, financial accounting and management accounting. The key difference between both of them is financial accounting is for the use of external users of accounting information, that is the investors of the company, those who can take decision whether to invest in that particular company or not, the creditors who can take their decision regarding whether to grant credit to the company or not, the customers of the company and tax authorities. Now what management accounting is useful for? Internal users of accounting information, that is management and employees of the company. Now we are going to discuss about the difference between financial and management accounting. First point of distinction is audience. Audience means to whom the information is useful. Financial accounting is useful for external parties, that is the shareholders, that is the lenders, creditors, tax authorities, whereas management accounting produces information that is used within an organization by the managers and employees. Second point of distinction is what are the objectives of both. Financial accounting, the objective is to disclose the end results of the business, to disclose the final profit or loss of the business on a particular date. Whereas the main objective of management accounting is to help the management by providing information that is useful to the management for taking important decisions. What is the focus? Financial accounting focuses on history, reports on the prior quarter or year. Because in financial accounting, what we'll do? We'll prepare the accounts after everything is done. At the end of the year, we generally prepare accounts. But as far as management accounting is concerned, management accounting focuses on present and forecasting the future. In management accounting, we'll prepare the reports as and when required by the management, no doubt with the help of financial accounts, but the reports are prepared for future use by the management for taking important decisions of the business. Now, department financial accounting. Preparation of financial accounting is work of financial department of the business, finance department of the business. But management accounting is not a specific task of a particular department. It is the outcome of the coordination of different departments of the business. The format. As we all know, in financial accounting, we are required to follow specific formats according to GAAP principles. We need to prepare the financial statements. We have to follow the formats given as per company law. But in management accounting, as the information is useful for the internal parties only, by the management only, so the format is informal as per the requirements of the management. What is the reporting frequency and duration? Financial accounts are generally prepared annually, sometimes prepared semi-annually, quarterly, yearly. But managerial accounts are prepared as per the requirements by the management. It can be daily, it can be weekly, it can be monthly, depends upon the requirement of the management. What is the purpose of information? Financial accounts help investors, creditors and others to make investment, credit and other decisions, whereas managerial accounting helps the managers to plan and control the business operations. Financial accounts classifies, records and presents the same in the form of financial statements. Management accounts also classifies, records and presents the same for the use by the management. So, what is the crux? Key difference between financial and management accounting is financial accounting is aimed at providing information to the parties outside the organization, whereas management accounting information is aimed at helping managers within the organization to take important decisions. Thank you.